Dharbandora Taluk of South Goa is a protected forest region once believed to be the rightful domain of only tribal communities. But now the forest is opening up to non-tribal residents as well. Vishant Ranganath's family has lived in and depended on this forest for generations. Today, he continues to carry forward his ancestral legacy, and for the first time, he also holds legal rights over the forest land. With Prime Minister Narendra Modi's initiative and the efforts of the Goa government under Dr. Pramod Sawant, their long-standing struggle has been recognized under the Forest Rights Act of 2006.
हमारे पिताजी बहुत सालों से 100 साल पहले से खेती बाड़ी इधर कर रहे थे और उसके बाद मैं भी कर रहा हूँ अभी। और हमको एफआरसी से जो सनद मिला है वो अच्छा, बहुत सरकार ने, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ने, सरकार ने बहुत अच्छा किया है।
The Forest Rights Act was initially considered applicable only to tribal communities, but now its benefits have extended to non-tribals and people from all religions. Babita Nagesh from Dharbandora is one such beneficiary who has gained legal access to forest land.
कराकडसून सनद गावली आणि ॲग्रिकल्चरकडून सुविधा गावली. सरकाराचे धन्यवाद करता.
In Goa, the government has received over 10,000 claims under the Forest Rights Act, of which more than 4,000 are from non-tribal groups. The claim processing is being fast-tracked. In Dharbandora alone, claims settled include 761 from scheduled tribes and 964 from non-scheduled tribes.
Cases in the state of Goa. Recently, we had a special Gram Sabhas for such entire process, and also special camps were held to help people to process their claims. And we are ensuring that these rights to the tribal and non-tribal people would be given immediately.
The Forest Rights Act allows for both individual and community claims. Individual claims typically come from tribal populations, followed by OTFDs, other traditional forest dwellers. This means that people who depend on forests, regardless of their religion, caste, or language, are now entitled to their rightful claims.